Today is the 17th of November 2023, guys. What a blessing day, guys. Amazing trade. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. Dollar yen. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. All right, so you can see here, price nicely reverse at this level as soon as the market respects. So we were expecting a pullback short trade here. So we had this short trade yesterday, bank amazing profit. This morning we were looking this breakout, market nicely broken, beautiful. As explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullbacks and the final target around this level, price nicely hit. Now let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and help my traders to bank amazing profit on dollar yen. So if you look at here, this was the trade yesterday, as mentioned in based on the 4-hour. We're looking structure in intraday. So based on this analysis, market nicely broken after the breakout, market nicely broken and pull back. Bank fee pips, as explained my trader, bank amazing profit and look for another opportunity, and which is pretty straightforward. You can see here, after banking some profit, as explained to my trader, look for another pullback. That was the yesterday beautiful short trade, nicely hit to the final target. As explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and afterwards at the Asian session and today, basically this morning, as you can see here, the market developed correction after that impulsive. So we were looking this breakout, as explained to my trader, look for this breakout. Market nicely broken this morning. We have another pullback, another pullback, another pullback, as explained. All these pullbacks through live ID commentary and help my traders to not to miss this opportunity and bank amazing profit. Alright, guys, so you want to see those analysis in real time instead of review? Most welcome, guys. Join our fast growing trading community. Have a nice day.